Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Happybuy Heat Press, 12x 10-inch heat press machine. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Versatile applications. The 12x 10-inch heat press is ideal for transferring designs onto a wide range of items including shirts, hoodies, pants, pillows, bags, table mats, and tiles. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts and small businesses alike. Easy operation. Simple to use even for beginners. Just set the desired temperature and time, press and remove. The unique pull-out drawer design allows easy removal of finished products without risk of burns. Precise digital control. Adjust temperature and time settings for various materials with precision. Temperature range, 32 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit / 0 to 232 degrees Celsius, time range, 0 to 999 second. The machine automatically stops when the preset temperature is reached and signals with an alarm. Dual insulation technology. This heat press incorporates dual insulation to reduce surface temperatures to 50 to 70 degrees Celsius, making it safer to use compared to traditional irons, which can reach up to 70 to 100 degrees Celsius. This ensures stable temperatures during transfers. Achieve perfect transfers. Featuring a next-gen heating tube, our machine offers even heat distribution, ensuring consistent, high-quality transfers. This technology helps produce vivid, fade-resistant designs every time. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.